Hi everyone, I've just come to share with you another journal that I've completed. This is a hardback cover and it is 8 by 5 3/4. It's got a 2-inch spine. I've done the little ridges on here. It's got a fabric cover on there, some lace trim. You can see I've done the kind of old vintagey look here, which I have got a tutorial on how I've done that. It was about a month ago possibly. There's 3 signatures, there's like 162 pages. This image here is from ARTYmaze and I've just done some stitching. Got this lovely lace trim here, a sari silk bow, some cheesecloth in the back, eyelets and organza ribbon as a closure. So let's go inside. This is listed on my Etsy if anyone's interested. The main pages in this are from Dreamzetc, and I will link that below as well. So I can't remember the name of it now. Love something or other, I can't remember. So here I've just got a double pocket, and I made this just with coffee dyed paper. Just folded it in half and folded it up and made the pocket. Done some stitching, so we've got a tag in here. These are just some cardstock tags. Little envelope here is from which has actually got some journaling cards inside, and they're from ARTYmaze Vintage Garden. So that pops in there. Little tag, and this is a Marion Smith Designs piece, which sadly Marion isn't doing any more kits and her website's not there anymore, so, and a lot of people are quite sad about that. So here we've got, this is Tsunami Rose, and is this, and that just pops in there, and this is an envelope and there's nothing in the envelope, so you can fill that. So we've got a doily and a dictionary page, paper bag, lots of places to journal. Here we've just got a lace pocket and some ephemera from Tsunami Rose. And is this, and that pops just in there. Got some lace trim here, a tag, some music paper. That's a digital kit that I bought. I can't remember who that was from now. Oops. Like I say, I've done slight stenciling on this, not as much. Excuse my fingers, I've got ink on them. Here we've just got a few tags and a little envelope here, which is from Marion Smith, and that flips up, flips down. Done some stenciling on there. Paper bag, dictionary page, doily. Here we've just got some ephemera, which is just paper clipped on. I'm not going to take it all off. With another envelope, there's a paper clip holding the envelope down as well. And here we've just got some more ephemera to journal on. Here I've just made a flip out journaling area, and it's also a pocket which houses this piece of ephemera. Doesn't want to go in. Doily here with some cheesecloth and a handmade paper flower. It's a Tim Holtz die. Onto the second signature. Here I've just used one of the pages to create a pocket, and we've just got some more tags and journaling cards there. These are Marion Smith as well. Kind of went through my big box of bits and bobs and pulled a lot of this out that I hadn't used previously. Little journaling card here, it's a Jane Austen one, that's from Tsunami Rose. Here I've just made a side tuck, and we've got an envelope here and a journaling card. Done some border punching there. So there's lots of pages to journal on. Here we've got an envelope pocket there with some ephemera. some more ephemera here. It's another monthly calendar there from Tsunami Rose, and a little journaling card. And here we've got a few pieces of ephemera. This is from Tsunami Rose as well. Here we've got 2 tags and a flip out journal card. And that's a flip up, flip down. Another envelope pocket here, and a tag, another little tag, little envelope here from Ephemera's Vintage Garden. Some more journaling cards there that I just paper clipped on. And here we've just got 3 pieces of ephemera and a 2 pieces of ephemera and a journaling card. This is an envelope here, and I just stuck that on there, and there's nothing inside that. So you can tuck things in there as well. You could just move that completely. Another ephemera piece and a journaling card, which tucks in there. This nice trim on there. This is all the little bits that fall off the sponge when I'm inking up. And I have changed it since the last time I told you I put a new one on, but when you use the stencils it tends to kind of wear them away very quickly. Well, it does with me. Another journaling card, another envelope. Love the coffee dine on this. It's so nice when you get like a few pages that are really kind of marbled with the coffee or the tea. It just looks really pretty. Got a little, this is a little envelope here, and there is a journaling card inside there. Oh, it doesn't want to come out, so I'm not going to pull it out because I'll never get it back in. Some more journaling cards. This is, oh, it doesn't want to come off. That and that. Oh. I'm really rubbish at doing this when I've got to stretch around this tripod. Another pocket here with some tags, Tiffany & Co, and a little journaling card from Tsunami Rose, and that is the end. So that is the journal. You can see it's a nice chunky one. There is plenty of room in this to write, add photos, etc. So like I said, this will be for sale on my Etsy if you're interested. All the links will be below. If you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.